This need to stop. I am tired of paying Dexscreener for everything. It's worse than having a paid relationship. We want to have an image, we need to pay. We want to have a name, we need to pay. We want to have a link, we need to pay. And now they released the Boost, so we need to pay up to $4,000 just to be able to be trending here. And I'm going to show you how you can be trending for free with a bot because it's enough to pay for this. I mean, when you look on chain, oh yeah, hi, by the way, welcome on Handsome Finance, where we study what's happening on chain. And we can see all the transactions, how much they collected only with crypto. I do not have their payment in card. But yesterday, 135K taken from the trenches. The day before, 80K, 80K, 100K, 110K, 220K. And all this money is money that I could have been making by rugging people. So I'm going to show you with the bot how we can do this. And for that, I'm going to use a simple volume bot. Does it work? Yes, I'm going to show you everything in the video, but we used it previously in a live. If you don't watch our lives, you are missing out because this is the best alpha in the trenches, people who are actually doing it. And we were trending number 4 on Dexscreener without spending any dollar. So to show you all this, I'm going to show you 2 things. First, I'm going to take whatever token, and I'm going to use Moonshot. Why will I use Moonshot? Because Dexscreener promote Moonshot. Why? Because they make money on each transactions on Moonshot, and also it's quite interesting because on Moonshot we can make some passive income with the liquidity pool around 250K if the coin goes up to $2 million or more. If there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of money to be made. So for us, it's going to be perfect. First thing is I could take any token, whatever it's dead. Okay, say less. Actually, I prefer Lion Cat. Lion Cat completely dead, 28. Let's see if I can do something on it. So I'm going to copy the token address, and here I can do everything. On the main menu, I can generate my wallets. I already generated the wallets, and I'm going to check the balance. And don't worry, after we are going to launch a crypto together. So we have enough balance everywhere. Okay. We are good to go. Go back to the main menu. And now I'm going to use the buy menu. Set the buy amount. We set that up already. Human mode. Target address. Minimum delay, let's say 2,500. Maximum delay 4,500. So will be 2.5 seconds, 4.5 seconds. Enter the percentage of selling. Here I'm going to put 100%. I could have put different. I want something simple and easy. There you go. We started to buy. So we should see them arriving here. We got 1, 2, 3 transactions. They're coming here. Okay. Our little Lion Cat have a website, have a Twitter. I didn't even check. Okay, lioncat.me. Beautiful. That's probably, they probably just reused someone, but I don't care because no one is on it. So now we start to have our volume acting, progress. Okay. So normally what I would do, but obviously for the video, I want to make it simple, is that I would change the amount to have a personalized amount on all the wallets so it doesn't look obvious like this case here right now. And already we start to be trending number 29. So that was that easy. We start our trending pretty easily. We enter in the dashboards, beautiful Lion Cat, and we rank number 20 on the dead token that we just went with a small amount. So if I push it to rank under 10 or something like that, it's going to go above and beyond, but this is obviously a scam token. So now for that reason, I'm going to sell everything. The mint address, percentage 100%. There you go, we're selling. Everything is getting set up and bundle already processed, success. Now we can wait for the the candle to arrive, and boom. Okay, it's crashed. Perfect. We're still ranking number 19. Pretty good performance. If you want to have this kind of volume bot, I will put a link in the description. Do not start to search online on Google or whatever because you're going to get drained. You're going to have wrong program happen to so many people. And every time it's the same because they don't want to click on my link in the descriptions. So let's go to the menu. We're going to check our wallet menu and we are going to check our balance. Our balance, it's very similar to what we had before. So Did we trend it without paying? Yes. We paid just the transaction fees, which is almost nothing. I think we can be happy. Now, what we are going to do is to launch a coin and see what we can do if we do a new launch, because I actually don't know. I just don't know. So I'm going to do the main menu. Okay, I'm going to go into the buy menu and set the buy amount. I'm going to reduce to 0.2. So do you wish to set unique buy amounts for each wallet? Here, for the case of the video, I'm going to put no. And then I'm going to say 0.2. If you want to have your buy amount being different so it doesn't look obvious, you will change that. Oh yeah, by the way, everyone will say like, oh, you're teaching people how to rug or No, rugs were already happening before this channel. What we do here is to show you how it happened. Now you can use this for a good project or for a bad project. Same as you can launch a good project or a bad project with Moonshot or Pump Fund. It's not the tool the problem. It's the people that can use it. It's the same. Do you go under YouTube videos of people teaching how to shoot? Like, are you teaching people how to kill people? Or even worse, do you go under videos of people teaching French and say, you're teaching people French so they can get laid, and then after they get AIDS, so you are the problem. It doesn't make sense. This is a tool and you can build it yourself if you don't want to buy it. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Now we are good to go. I'm going to put an auto start. All right. And this is going to monitor with my wallet. So I'm going to say enter the mode to start. Here we're going to choose human mode. Minimum delay, we're going to put 2 seconds. Maximum delay, 4 seconds. So it's a little bit faster. Enter the percentage of token to sell. I could say 50%. I'm going to go with 100%. It's going to be easier. So now they're monitoring this address, which is my address to create a token. And you know what? Let's go and create a token together. We are on Dex Screener, Moonshot, only 0.02 sold to deploy. Okay, I am connected with the wallet of the developer here. Six pack. We have that. Let's create our logo. We have it here. Beautiful logo. And there we go. Volume bot, download. Now we need a cover for our meme. So to have a good cover, well, we're going to go on a really good profile on Instagram if you want to see some comedy show and a guy who wants to satisfy his ego. This is one of the best that I found. We have this image, and I'm going to download this image because I don't even remember where I have this image. All right. Beautiful, handsome man. Gonna make a nice cover. Let's hide this little bit of fat here. There we go. This is horrible. I don't know why we're doing this. Obviously, do not invest in these meme coins. This is for entertainment purposes, and it's not financial advice. If you want my own humble opinion, it could be financial advice, but it's not as of today. All right, 6 pack. That's it. I wonder if people are going to buy that. My goal is for them to not buy, obviously, but you know what? I can't do everything for them. All right, let's download. Our design is ready. So let's go back to Dex Screener, put our picture, get volume bots. Then we're going to upload our cover picture. There we go. Beautiful. Add a website. I'm going to put the Investors Boardroom, which is the best group if you want to learn about on-chain analysis and build stuff. HFX, okay, my profile, Telegram, HFTG, there we go. And some finance, the best of the best. I could have put the Discord, but let's not go too hard. And we're going to launch with 1 Sol. Perfect. I agree to Moonshot terms and conditions. I don't think I needed to say this in the video, but we never know. Setting up our tokens. Okay. And I hope the bot's going to work on this. There you go. Lift off. 6 pack is now live on Moonshot. Can copy the CA. Buy menu. And we're going to set up the human mode. Enter the token address. Go to my token page. Yeah, I think we had a little bit of an error. It's okay. We set it up manually. Those things can happen. This is Handsome Finance. We do everything live. One Tech Drake recording. Oh, we got a lot of buy and sell that arrive right away. So there's a little bit of bots going on. Our bot is starting as well. Good to go. Voila. Training number 18. That's it. This is how we do it. We get other buys coming in. This is not us. 0.05 Sol. So if I was selling on him now, that would hurt. Where's this? 1 token. There you go. Trending number 17. Easy step. And I'm the only one on it. Let's put a rocket on it. I'm going to open the chat and I'm going to say dev is based, which means everything by Dan the man. Profit of 32 cents. Good growth. Trending number 17 now. We still did not pay anything for Dex Screener. And can you imagine if I was to make a different amount on everything? You will understand that this is quite powerful and that attracts new buyers, as you can see. Still ranking number 17 here. We're here now. We're trending. This guy is paying. This guy is paying, but he's not trending as much as we do. That's the thing, man. If I boost it up a little bit with the bonding curve, we would be good. Like, I know from personal testing that if I put more wallets and higher buy amounts, this will trend like crazy. We're trending number 13, so we're here on Dex Screener. This is so good. I wonder how high we can go. I'd put only 10 wallets. Like, if I want to do this properly, I would put 20 wallets and around 1 SOL on each at least. I will use some Edge wallet and we'll be killing it. See that? Like, this guy is paying. He paid Dex Screener and he's not trending more than us. Trending number 10 now. Oh God, this is so good. And look at that, look at that. Someone just ate 1 SOL. See, if I was to sell everything now, I'm going back home with his SOL. That's the crazy thing. He cheated. Been too nice. Stayed in the trade for 5 seconds. Why would you do that? Oh no, sorry, a little bit more than 5. But we're trending number 7 though, huh? Cranking up the rankings, passing the guys who are paying. Because we understand how the algorithm work. And it's the same for everything. If you want to rank first on Google, you got to use your brain to understand how the game works. So you can use the game at your own advantage. So is this working? Yes. Should you click the link in the description? Probably. But I don't want to be ranking number 1 for this because after I'm going to have too many problems. So I'm going to sell everything, stopping here. There we go, 100%. Obviously, if it was a good project that I want to run, I would not do like that. I will sell a little bit when it grows and then keep some money for marketing and all that. Preparing all our selling, and then we're going to have one of my favorite moments. Bundle processed, boom, candle arrived, and all the orders. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I can send on the Dev wallet, still trending number 8. Crazy thing. There you go. Dev just sold. And we have this bot that made a PNL of minus 66 cents. Beautiful. One last thing to check is the balance. And, well, that's it. We got trended number 7 for free because our balance almost did not change, as this bot does not take any additional fees than your trading fees on Moonshot. And now you understand. This is how things works. Yeah, it's a little bit like buying followers on Instagram or things like that, but those things works. A lot of people are using it. And anyway, this is going to help really to kick off your project. I mean, this is going to really help you to kick off your project because anyway, like Dex Screener is a pay to play now. You need to pay for everything. So unless you use a volume bot like this, then you're going to have to buy their credits. Could have spent on Tinder. I don't know. You do what you want, but what you should definitely check now is how to properly launch a meme coin. Because I launched many meme coins and I shared all the knowledge in this video. It was a pleasure. And don't forget one thing before you leave. Of course, drink mineral water and get your microplastic down. But more important than that, stay handsome. Ciao.